Thank you, Sounds of Liberty. Please be seated. Today we would like to honor one of our alumni, Daniel Jan-Louis. Last night we honored Wallace and Eleanor Turnbull, who have served as missionaries to Haiti for over 70 years, and who have provided numerous scholarships for Haitian young people to attend Liberty University. Daniel received the Turnbull Leadership Program Scholarship, and he came to Liberty, graduating in 2006 with a degree in business administration and leadership. Daniel grew up among peasant families who practiced voodoo in Haiti's western forests and salt flats. He co-founded Bridge Capital, the first small and medium enterprise investment firm in Haiti, with the goal of creating 100,000 new jobs by the year 2020. Additionally, he has been a professor of entrepreneurship and development at 2 universities in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. In March 2016, he published his first book, From Aid to Trade, on the role of aid versus private investment in economic development. He believes the only way to end the global cycle of poverty is to empower people to meet their own needs profitably and sustainably. As he said in the documentary Poverty Incorporated, no one wants to be a beggar for life. Like President Trump, Daniel believes that jobs, not government handouts, are the only real pathway out of poverty. He has become a highly sought-after consultant for his intelligence, character, and unprecedented accomplishments, and was recently featured in Forbes magazine. He is recognized internationally as an expert on issues regarding the role of business in eliminating poverty, and has spoken in over 15 different countries. We are proud today to say that he represents Liberty University in all of these places. Daniel Jan-Louis, would you please join President Falwell and me here at the podium? In recognition of Daniel Jan-Louis' work and tireless commitment to end poverty in his homeland through entrepreneurial endeavors and job creation, with the power vested in me by the Board of Trustees of Liberty University, the Doctorate of Business is hereby conferred upon Daniel Jan-Louis with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereunto.